So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about another platform called Decodec. But before that, this video is for entertainment purposes only. So guys, this is the official platform of Decodec. Efficiency drives value redefining on-chain finance. So who we are, Decodex is pioneering the future of finance by fusing AI intelligence, quantitative trading, and decentralized protocols. Our team comes from top exchanges, quant funds, and blockchain protocols developers, each with 10 plus years of live trading and system development experience. So you can see here the engine of the codex. The total balance is 3,612.295. You can see here withdraw, transfer, convert, and history. So as you can see guys, the total income 13,216.80 USDT, and the monthly income is 31,049.8511 USDT, and the daily income is 145.4706 USDT. So the Volt 360 is up to 10 to 20%, and the Volt 180 is up to 10 to 20% as well, and the Volt 90 is 10 to 20%, Volt 30 is 10 to 20%. So this is my subscribe Volt 360. The total amount is 9,000 USDT. The lock-in period is 360 days. Profit split 90% INV, 10% ko. Monthly ROI 10% to 20%. The start date is 29/03/2026. Early termination fee 35%. The progress is 21 out of 360 days. Volt 360 total amount 19,000 US total amount 19,000 USDT, lock-in period 360 days. Profit split 90% INV, 10% ko. Monthly ROI 10% to 20%. Start date 28/03/2026. Early termination fee 35%. The progress is 22 out of 360 days. Volt 360 again. Total amount 1,000 USDT. Lock-in period 360 days. Profit split 90% INV, 10% ko. Monthly ROI 10% to 20%. Start date 28/11/2025. Early termination fee 35%. The progress is 142 out of 360 days. And the Volt 180, total amount 10,000 USDT. The lock-in period is 180 days. Profit split 80% INV, 20% ko. Monthly ROI 10% to 20%. The start date 23/10/2025. Early termination fee 30%. The progress is 178 out of 180 days. So guys, this is the MEV stats. The average profit is 0.16 something SOL, and the total count is 1,739. The total profit 278 something SOL. So the target count is 842. So this is the estimated profit today, today's profit pool, today's reward pool, and this is the numbers. So guys, this is the Decodex, and if you want to see more like this, just subscribe to my channel.